gentlemen, look what I got back. Yes, I got the truck back. Wow. You know, every time I park this thing for a couple months, I, forget how to drive it. Oh, but we got it picked up yesterday, and, they did a great job. I can't find anything wrong with the vehicle. It looks brand new again. The windshield looks great. Even one of the moldings that was on back order, since I took my time going to pick it up, they actually got the molding on it on the window too. So everything's back to the way it was, and it looks perfect. I was gonna do a walk around, but after driving it home from the body shop, everything's so nasty and dirty because everything's snowy and crappy and cold, and so I didn't do that. But I'm gonna do a video once I get everything on this thing, bolted on it, and get it all ready and get the final inspection done. Then I'll do a complete walk around to everything that I did to this truck, everything that's happened to this truck in the last year, and do a full review again on it, and what I'm gonna do for this dot inspection and getting it ready to haul other fifth wheels and campers and stuff around the country. So, but right now I'm en route to a truck stop so I can go get it weighed. And our paperwork is all in, so we can get the license plates done now. They called us yesterday, so I got that all ready to go do. So we're gonna get this thing done. It would probably be done if the weather was a little nicer, and you don't have, when you live the full-time RV life, you don't have a shop, you don't have places to work out of, so you kind of got to work in the elements basically. And our family's houses, a lot of these older Pennsylvania homes, they're not like Colorado homes where you got big garages and a big area to work on stuff. Everything's tight and small, and everything's compact around here. I mean, even driving this truck around Pennsylvania, you've got to pay attention because the lanes are barely, if two of these trucks come down the same road, there's not enough room for you. It's a tight fit, but I'm on my way now to go get it weighed. I'm kind of curious. I mean, I think the registration said it weighed like 8,560 pounds is what I think it said. I'm kind of curious. I mean, I don't have a lot of stuff added to it. I've got my own personal stuff in here and some tools and all that stuff, but I don't even have the fifth wheel plate in here right now, so that's not in here. I have all the other receivers and hitches underneath the seat. I have, pretty much all the stuff that I need if I was broke down on the side of the road. So I'll have all that in there, but I won't have the fifth wheel plate. I didn't put it back in here yet, and I didn't feel like digging it out because it's cold and crappy, and I just didn't want to do it. But we're gonna find out what this thing weighs today, and get a few more things done to it. I got some mud flaps. I think those go on pretty easily. The rock thing that goes underneath the whole bumper there, I'm gonna have to crawl on a snowbank to do that, so I'm gonna wait a few more days on that one. So we'll just give it a few more days to warm up. Looks like Sunday might be nice, so we'll shoot for Sunday. But other than that, we're gonna get a weigh ticket on this, and we'll let you know what this thing weighs. And we'll be back. cold out, but we got this thing weighed. I haven't looked at it yet. This place is busy, and they charged me $13.50 to get it weighed. So let's see what we got. Oh, 8,860 pounds is what this thing weighs. You know, and my registration, I think, said 8,540 or 560, something like that. I'll have to look on it again. But I figured that wasn't even close. But yeah, I probably got 100 and some pounds. Actually, I don't think it was right, because I probably got 400 or 500 pounds at least added to this thing. So I think the registration in Colorado had it a little higher than it actually was, because I got a couple 100 pounds worth of tools for sure in this thing, not counting all the other stuff. I mean, everything. There's stuff stuffed under the seats, and there's extra receivers and hitches and all kinds of stuff in the back. That whole back area on the floor is just full of stuff, and I don't even have the fifth wheel plate in here right now. So, or the back hitch that goes on for hauling travel trailers and stuff. I got a new one of them, and I don't have that on there either. So it's probably going to be another 100 pounds at least. Yeah, I would think another 100 pounds. So 8,860 pounds, cost me $13.50. Yeah, so I actually got a scale ticket. I'm actually going to get the whole fifth wheel hooked up and go get it all weighed and everything once we're all back to on the road again and got it all set up. Before I take it anywhere, I'm going to go and get it all weighed this time to know exactly what I got. Everybody said I should have done that a long time ago. I knew we were okay, and I was driving it slow and keeping an eye on everything, so I wasn't too worried about it. But you know, we're getting another step closer. You know, this is like the third step now to getting the things ready to go. So we'll be back, folks. And just remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robert are doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.